The Bissell Little Green Machine is a versatile, portable carpet cleaner perfect for spills and stains on carpet, area rugs, upholstery, car seats, and more. Get started by filling up the clean water with cleaning solution and hot water from the sink. There are 2 fill lines on the back of the water tank to indicate how much to fill, one for the solution and one for the water. Attach the clean water tank to the machine and you are ready to start cleaning. Turn the power on and spray that clean water and solution onto your working area. Pulling the trigger on the handle will spray the solution. When you release the trigger, it will stop. Spray that area until you have covered the soiled area and begin scrubbing the solution and water into the stain. The brush head and bristles will loosen up that stain, allowing it to be extracted much easier. To extract the water, there is a slot on the cleaning attachment. Tilt the handle to allow the slot and head attachment to be pressed into the working area. Now pull or drag the head attachment over the area you just sprayed to vacuum up the water along with the stain. Now, depending on how saturated the area is, you may need to repeat this a few times. Continue until you don't see any more liquid coming up. The area will still be damp to the touch and should be left alone to completely dry before stepping on it or using it again. You can also complete this process on any fabric or area that you can clean, such as couches, chairs, car seats, area rugs, and more. Once you are finished, you will need to clean your machine and empty the dirty water tank. The Bissell Little Green Machine comes with a hydro rinse tool to clean the hose. Remove the current head attachment by pressing the button on the top and pulling. Then attach the hydro rinse tool by lining it up and pushing it on. Once in place, you will power the machine on and pull the trigger. This will run clean, clear water and solution through that hose, removing any dirt and debris. Allow it to run for a minute or so to ensure that it's clean. Finally, you will also need to empty the contents of the dirty water tank and rinse it out. At this time, you can also remove and clean the other parts and pieces, allowing them all time to dry before putting it back together. The Bissell Little Green Machine is a great help for spills and accidents around the house. Bissell has a huge line of carpet cleaners and other supplies. If you'd like to know more, please like and subscribe and check out these videos next.